I'm Georgina and I live in San Diego. And I've had the pleasure of working with Stemars for some time. They were very good workers, came in, did the work and left, but did a wonderful job. They did painting and repair work because I had a serious water problem with 50 gallons of water coming down of my kitchen, and they were able to restore the kitchen to the way it was before, and did a wonderful job. The workers came in, were very efficient and very capable, and did a nice job. I really would recommend Stemars highly to anybody because they're good and efficient, and they do the work quickly and correctly. Did a nice job. Again, I would approve Stemars to anyone.